Welcome to the Team Setup Challenge. We're diving into a small business scenario to showcase Haptap Call Manager, a transformational tool that revolutionizes Microsoft Teams phone setup. In a side-by-side race against Teams Admin Center, we'll see which tool configures faster and easier. To keep things dynamic, the video is sped up 8 times. Get ready for a game-changing comparison. Here's our customer scenario. A small business, already using Microsoft Teams with users and groups, wants to set up Teams Phone at their single location. They have phone system licenses, calling plans, and 8 phone numbers from their operator. Their requirements are straightforward. Assign 5 of those numbers to 5 users and configure one main number with a greeting. Calls to this main number go to the sales group first, overflow to the operations group if unanswered, and end in the sales group's email for follow-up. Let's compare Haptap Call Manager and Teams Admin Center. Haptap lets a non-technical admin configure Teams Phone via the intuitive HCM control panel, managing on behalf of the customer without tenant access, making setup easy for anyone with minimal training. Teams Admin Center, however, requires a trained Teams Phone admin with high-security tenant access, demanding expertise and increasing risks. Watch the race to see Haptap's streamlined approach finish fast, while Teams Admin Center's complex process lags behind. Now it's race time. On the left, Haptap Call Manager, ready to showcase its simplicity for non-technical users. On the right, Teams Admin Center, tackling the same tasks with a steeper learning curve. At 8 times speed, watch Haptap blaze through the setup while Teams Admin Center works through its complex menus. As Haptap Call Manager kicks off, its brilliance is clear. Using the HCM control panel, a non-technical admin assigns the 5 numbers and configures the main number's greeting, call routing, and email integration in minutes. No tenant access or advanced training needed. Just a few clicks, and Haptap's streamlined design delivers a flawless setup. Look how fast it wraps up, proving it's a transformational tool for Teams Phone. With Haptap already finished, Teams Admin Center is still running. Let's explore why it takes so much longer. First, the trained admin must log into the customer's tenant with high-security access to assign the 5 numbers, navigating multiple menus with precise inputs. Configuring the main number's greeting requires setting up an auto-attendant, which involves deep call flow settings and managing audio files, a complex task without proper training. Routing calls to the sales group means creating a call queue, assigning users, setting permissions, and ensuring correct group linkage. Adding overflow to the operations group requires configuring additional queues and rules, with careful steps to avoid errors. Finally, directing unanswered calls to the sales group's email involves setting up a shared voicemail, demanding further navigation. Each step requires in-depth knowledge of Teams architecture, and the high-security access increases the stakes for errors. Compare this to Haptap, which completed the same setup effortlessly without tenant access or specialized skills. Teams Admin Center's complexity and training demands highlight why Haptap is a game-changer, enabling businesses to deploy Teams Phone without hiring experts or managing high-risk access. As Teams Admin Center continues, notice the repetitive navigation and technical barriers that slow it down, while Haptap's efficiency keeps businesses focused on their customers. And that's the race. Haptap Call Manager finished lightning fast, proving it's a transformational tool that delivers Teams Phone setup with unmatched speed and simplicity. Teams Admin Center, while functional, took significantly longer, weighed down by its complexity and need for trained admins. Let's briefly review the outcome of the test and some of the key differences in the overall setup, when performed with Haptap Call Manager and Microsoft's Teams Admin Center. Ready to revolutionize your Teams phone setup? Visit www.haptap.com to learn how Haptap Call Manager empowers your team. Subscribe for more insights, and share in the comments why Haptap is your choice for effortless Teams setup.